Well, hello there, beautiful people. Nevada coming to you, Coach Nevada from a snowy Baltimore, Maryland. Today, I am out. I am dog sitting my grand dog. I wanted to take this time to create a video that I think will be very helpful to people that are in business and not seeing the results that they want to see, or people that are just not seeing the results that they want to see in their life. And it's all about whether you're giving yourself choices or whether you're making a decision. And what I have found is that when you give yourself a choice, then you are giving yourself the choice to either do it or not do it. But when you make a decision, then that's that. When you think about your life and think about the things think about what happened when you made a decision, you did what you said you were going to do versus giving yourself a choice. Like, say, for instance, if you're wanting to lose weight, and you say, okay, I need to walk, I need to exercise, I need to go to the gym. And you say, I'm a think about doing it. I think I'll do it Monday. And what happens is Monday comes and you don't do it because you gave yourself a choice. You thought about doing it. But when you make that decision and you say, I am going to exercise on Monday, I'm going to walk, I'm going to join the gym, or whatever it is with your business, I am going to take the steps that I need to take in order to make my business profitable so that I can live life on my own terms. When you make a decision, it makes all the difference in the world when you actually decide that you're going to do that thing. So I just wanted to take this time to encourage everyone that is listening to this live video. I want to encourage you to actually start making some decisions. Whatever goal you have, whatever it is that you want, make the decision that you are going to take the steps that you need to take in order to make it happen. So you have experienced a Real Talk with Nevada. I am going to be launching a 30-day outline, a 30-day plan that you will be able to use to get you started from start to finish to get your business profitable. And that's going to work whether you have a business already or if you're just starting your business. My goal is to help everyone to either start a profitable business or move the business that you have into profit. So I'm going to have a Facebook group that you will be able to join if you'd like to be a part of it. I'm going to spill it all. I'm going to tell it all. I'm not going to hold anything back. He's trying to go in the house. Come on, it's not time to go in yet. I'm going to spill it all and tell you everything that I have done and that my colleagues, what they have done in order to move themselves from start to finish and become successful in their life, in their business endeavors. So I'm going to encourage you to request the link so that you can join the group. It's going to start in about 10 days or so. But you want to kind of get in early so that we can make our introductions and start building a community, because the key is to build a community, a like-minded community, people that are interested in the same types of things. It's great to be around motivating people, encouraging people. So ask for the link. I'll make sure that you get it. We're going to make 2025 a year to remember. So bye-bye for now, everyone.